Hi friends, welcome to Eclectic's Workshop. My name is Joey and today I'm going to show you how I built this cheap rechargeable Bluetooth speaker with ridiculously long battery life for less than $25. Alright, let's jump into it. So for this project I used an M18 Bluetooth amp board for $3, two speakers from Parts Express for $2, an 18650 battery holder for $1, an 18650 battery cell for $4, lithium BMS and charger for $1, an on-off switch for $1, about 400 grams of filament for $4, 18 bolts for about $2, and a handful of various crimps for about $1. Now that I have all the parts, I 3D printed my design. Links in the description. I started with black PETG, but I don't think this roll is gonna make it. I ran out of filament, and all I have left is white! Oh well. I restarted the print, everything was going well until the next day. It happened again? Time to open up a new roll. This better be the last time. It's finally done! Yay! With the backplate on, Krista says it looks like a double stuffed Oreo. What do you think? I then printed the seal and installed the drivers. They get really tight. But they also hold really tight too, so just be careful and go slow. I also put in the Bluetooth amp at this time. This little board right here might actually be the most important part of the project because it not only allows us to recharge our batteries, but it also prevents the lithium cell from having a catastrophic failure kind of like this. So after soldering and crimping it all together, I put the BMS, battery holder, and on-off switch into the backplate. Next, I installed the battery. This battery has a capacity of about 2.9 amp hours and should run the speaker for over 24 hours before needing a recharge. After the battery, I hooked up the speakers and tested it. It works. That's not right. The backplate won't close. So, turns out that I'm a dinghy because this speaker's got a giant shielded magnet on it, and where I mounted this M18 board, the connectors just run right into it, preventing me from closing the backplate. So, let's figure out what we're gonna do with that. Yeah. After staring at it for forever, I decided to just move the amp to the other side. But how am I going to attach it? Oh, I know. Hot glue! Don't forget the seal, or you'll have to take everything apart and redo it, like I did. Now I can install the backplate, but first... So there's this guy in my Facebook group that recommended using polyfill or something to stuff the box to dampen the internal reflections or something. Does it work? I don't know, but I'm going to do it anyways, so here we go. This stuffing came from a dog bed that Mora destroyed. It'll be good enough for what we're doing here though. With everything working and stuffed, it's time to put the 9 backplate screws in. Ta-da! It's done! If only it was that fast in real life. Well, let's test this thing. But mind you, it's not meant to be a hi-fi system or anything like that, just a fun, cheap project. So, enjoy! Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for tuning in as always. Please drop a like, share, and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks. Bye!